If you want to change the DPI settings on CMF Phone 02 Pro, then we have two main ways to do so. The first method is to simply open Settings, and then over here, if you scroll down, you should be able to go to Display, and then in Display we have Font and Display Size, and of course here we can adjust the display size in order to change the DPI setting. However, if you are not satisfied with the given options over here, then in that case we can go back to the settings, and first we're gonna scroll all the way down and go to About Phone. Now over here, tap on the Nothing OS version over here on this tile to go to Software Info, and then keep tapping on Build Number until you need to enter your screen lock password. And after that, you should see this information that you are now a developer. So after enabling the developer options, we can go back to the settings. This time we're gonna go to System. Now over here, go to Developer Options, and then here we need to keep scrolling until we actually find an option that is called Smallest Width. And in this case, if you provide a lower number, the screen and everything will be in general bigger, and if you provide higher number, then everything will become smaller. So for example, I can use a number like, let's say 600, and press OK in order to make my screen unusually small. And there we go. Of course, we can also set it to a smaller number in order to make everything bigger. However, there is also a limit. So as you can see now, the screen is quite big. In this case, we have 320 width, so this is the limit. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!